Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively hit a driver shot. The first step in hitting a great driver shot is the body positioning and also the grip of your hand. Now let's talk about the positioning first. The left leg should be aligned to the ball itself. It can be slightly outside of the ball, so it's more lateral, and also the distance between the legs should be about shoulder length. So your legs are spread out quite a bit. And another thing is also the legs should be slightly bent. Now, why do we do this? Now, we're following principle 1 of biomechanics. So now we know that lowering the center of mass and providing a larger base of support would increase stability, and stability is honestly key to hit a good driver shot or any golf swing, because you do not want your body to swing and move around while hitting the ball. If not, the ball's not going to move in the direction you want it to move. The other thing is your grip. So now let's talk about the grip. So the left hand should first hold the grip of the club with your left thumb in the direction of the club. As you can see, the left hand is kept very firm and straight, and you want that to happen throughout the whole swing. And here we can see that the club face is directly towards the ball, and you don't want to internally rotate or externally rotate the club face. You want to keep it nice and straight. Okay. The next step of the grip is to interlock your right pinky finger with your left index finger. And when you do that, you're gonna have your right palm overlap your left thumb. So that's basically how the grip would look like. And you want your two thumbs to be facing straight to the club face. So that will ensure a straight hit to the ball. And when you're swinging it backwards, you want it to be straight, and you do not want to turn your club face straight away. You're going to do that in the later bits, but when the initial swing should probably be straight. You don't want to swing it differently. The key to a good golf swing is to keep your left hand straight. You do not want to bend this arm. If not, you'll change the direction of the club face and you wouldn't hit the direct position of the ball that you want to. And throughout my swing, that you'll notice that my legs don't move, and you want that to happen. Yes, your hips do rotate, but below the knee, you do not want your legs to move. Okay, so this is the body positioning after I've done a full swing and I'm coming down with the club face. So even when you're coming down, your left hand should still be kept straight throughout the whole swing. And this is the body positioning after you're done with your golf swing. As you can see, finally one of the leg moves, which is your right leg, which is the back leg, and you want it to plantar flex so that your body can rotate. But the left leg is still kept straight. Now, when you flex your leg here, you're going to allow your back to also rotate and to have this curved position, and that's what you really want. Okay, this is another view of the swing. So this is a full body vision, so you can look at every part of my body here. So again, left leg aligned to the ball, slightly outside with your left hand straight. And another key thing is to elevate the left side of your shoulder. So this is more for aiming, to know that where the ball would actually hit to. So the elevation of the shoulder would control where the ball would fly. Now, after you're happy with your body positioning, you're gonna look at where you're aiming for. So this is where your head lifts up just to check where you want to hit the ball. Okay. And then right after you're done looking at where you want to aim, you're going to keep your head down. You're going to look at the ball, and throughout your whole swing, you're not going to lift your head up until the end. As you can see, my left hand is still kept straight, and you really want that to happen. Okay, so this is the initial part of the swing where I swing the club face backwards. And this is my mid swing, and you can see that the club and my left arm almost creates a 90-degree angle, and that's really good. You don't want to have the club internally rotate or externally rotate. If not, you're not going to hit the ball in the right position. But the eyes and your face should still be kept down, because the moment you turn your head, you're gonna mess up your swing for sure. To know when your swing is a full swing is when your left shoulder touches the chin. So once your left shoulder touches your chin, you know that, you know what, my swing is done and it's time for me to swing it downwards so I can hit the ball with maximum force. And you can see that there is no bending of my elbow joint, so that is definitely a good swing. Okay, so after you're done with your full swing, this is when you're gonna come downwards. And when you're coming downwards, your legs don't move at all. Your leg only moves once the ball has been hit. So in this picture, you can see that the ball has been hit, and I'm going to have my follow through. When you're doing your follow through, you want to rotate your hips, elevate your right feet so it has a plantar flexion motion with your head still kept downwards. To have a maximum effort, we're going to use principle 2. The production of maximum force requires the use of all possible joint movements. So in a golf swing, we're not just using our arms, but we're also using our hips. Our hips would provide so much more force, and it'll be a very effective and very powerful swing. Okay, even when I'm following through, my head is still kept down, because when you lift your head up, you'll change your follow through and you might slice the ball, and you do not want that to happen. And as I follow through more, the right leg plantar flexes more, and the weight is now distributed on the left side of the body. So all the weight is on your left leg. After you've done a full follow through, you'll notice that your left hand would have almost a 90-degree angle again, and that's also a very good point. As you can see, my head is still kept down because I personally like to look downwards instead of straight away looking up. If not, I will mess up my swing for sure. And you can see how arched my back is. That's good. So it ensures that the rotation is really powerful and it's to the max. Okay, so this is my last position after I've hit the ball. My back is arched, my right leg is plantar flexing with my weight on my left leg, which is kept nice and straight, with my eyes looking at where the ball has landed. So in golf also, we're going to use principle 3 of biomechanics. So the production of maximum velocity requires the use of joints in order, from the largest to the smallest. So in golf, we notice that the hips are the largest joint, and then it goes up to your hands and then to your wrist. So that's how you would make a great golf swing. Thank you.